Well, it's been nearly 1 year since a man was shot 8 times during a traffic stop in Baltimore County, and tonight his family demanding justice. They want to see the officer who killed him held responsible. WJZ is live. Kelsey Kushner is explaining why his family thinks officers should have tried to help him, Kelsey, instead of shooting him.
Nicole, the family's attorney tells me that what happened that night could have been avoided. They say that the officer knew that Eric Sopp was suicidal and in need of help. Instead, he was shot and killed. It's a family's worst nightmare detailed in a 26-page lawsuit. 48-year-old Eric Sopp was unarmed and suicidal when he was shot 8 times and killed during a traffic stop by a Baltimore County police officer in November.
The family strongly believes that what happened here was a grave injustice.
Police released body camera footage months after the incident showing Officer Page stopping Sopp on I-83 after his mother called police saying he was driving drunk and threatening to harm himself with an ice pick. Sopp refused orders and started to get out of the car when he was shot multiple times. Sopp's mother spoke with WJZ days after her son's death, saying she called 911 thinking it would save his life.
I called 911 as missing, and I thought it was very important that they immediately get out there and look for him in his car.
The family's attorney says Officer Page used excessive force and failed to de-escalate the situation.
This officer exited his police vehicle, got out of his car with his weapon drawn and his finger on the trigger. That was how he started the encounter with someone who he knew to be unarmed and experiencing a mental health episode. And I don't think there's any way you can justify that kind of behavior.
A complaint filed by the family Tuesday in federal court says Officer Page violated Sopp's civil rights and laws prohibiting disability discrimination. It also claims the police department has a pattern of using excessive deadly force against people suffering with mental health disabilities. Now, we did reach out to the Baltimore County Police Department for comment, but they said that they cannot comment on pending litigation. Reporting live tonight, Kelsey Kushner for WJC.